Korea. That was new. I didn't know much about South Korea before either. So I really like those. Argentina, I think, was my favorite presentation because I didn't know anything about Argentina, but they had all the dances from the different states, and that was cool.
And what did you like more in the presentation?